Ladies, we're back to work. As I said, scarf art is your everyday runway. We're back to work, same skirt with a blouse, and what we're doing is mixing patterns with the black and white, and we're going to put on the Fishtail Chic Neckerchief with the same pencil skirt with the blouse, mixed patterns with a black and white polka dot Fishtail Chic Neckerchief. And again, just pre-tied for you, just button and go. All you do is adjust it to your neck size and just button in back, and you're out the door on your way to work. And you can wear it like this. Just adjust the flap, make sure that it's centered that way. Adjust your flap like that, and you're good to go. The Scarf Art Fishtail Chic Neckerchief for work. We're back to work, ladies, and this is the Scarf Art Ascot. You can see I have on black pants and a black and white top as before, same top as before that I had on with the pencil skirt. And this just shows you how you can really expand your wardrobe, enhance your wardrobe with scarves. Same black top, black pants. All I did was change the pants and a different scarf. So this is an ascot. What you do with the ascots, again, they're pre-tied, pre-designed for you. Just button and go. All you do is put the label out like this, the Scarf Art label, and then you're gonna flip it, adjust it to your neck size, button it in back, like so. And the ascots are great with Oxford shirts and with suits. Great cleavage covers. And all you do is just put it down in your shirt like that, in your blouse like that, and then just adjust it however much you want to have it adjusted. Great for warmth too, not only for cleavage coverage but also for warmth. So if you live in a cold climate, this is great to keep your neck warm throughout the day, and fashionable. The Scarf Art Ascot. Ladies, we've gone from work to special events, back to work. Now it's time to play. You see I have on jeans, same suit jacket, and the same Fishtail Chic Neckerchief that I had on for work with the pencil skirt and the blouse. Now I have the same Scarf Art Fishtail Chic Neckerchief with the same blazer from the same black suit that I had on earlier for the special occasion. I just put it with some jeans, which is a fashionista must-have, and a black blazer. And you've got a black and white polka dot Scarf Art Fishtail Chic Neckerchief. And as before, all you have to do is pre-tied for you, just button and go. All you do, ladies, is just adjust it to your neck size and you button it in back. And after you've done this a couple of times, you will be a pro. Practice makes perfect. So what you do, you take your Fishtail Chic Neckerchief, adjust the flap in front, and you're ready for play. Rock it at play. The Scarf Art Fishtail Chic Neckerchief.